This is a smart key fob for a 2018 Chevy Traverse. I think a lot of these are probably similar, but there's no real obvious way to get these apart other than that little push tab there to release the key if you ever have to use the key to get into your vehicle. So looking at this thing, there's nothing real obvious. I didn't want to break it to get it apart to change the battery, so I just used the key to pry on it gently to see if it would pop loose, and it does. It just comes apart in the middle there, just kind of snaps together. And there you can see the battery. That's a 2032 3-volt watch battery or coin battery. Those just pop out and you can replace that, and then it just snaps back together the way it came off. You don't have to hook one side or the other side first. It just snaps together. Just make sure you get all the sides snapped tight. Like I said, I didn't want to break this thing trying to get it apart. If there's some trick to it or something, I feel stupid because it's just a key fob, but you definitely didn't want to break this thing getting it apart. So if you got one of these smart key fobs and you got to change the battery, there you go. Hope that helps.